Okay, so solving for y on problem A, we have two triangles. They are going to be similar triangles. They both have a right angle here, and they both share this angle, so they are similar by angle-angle similarity. What that means then is I can look at them separately. So I have a triangle right here, and that's 3 and 5. And then I have the larger triangle with a side length of 9 and y. And I can set up a proportion for these now. So since I take a look at these and I can set up my similar sides or corresponding sides, 5 and 9 are going to go together, and 3 and y are going to go together. Those are corresponding sides. So I can set up my proportion as 5 over 9 equals 3 over y. Now I have this proportion. I'm going to multiply y times 5, cross multiply there, and 9 times 3. So I'm going to get 5y equals 27. And then I divide both sides by 5. And I'm going to get y to equal 27 over 5, which is 5 2/5, or 5.4, whichever way you wanted to write your answer. Problem B is a little bit different. Problem B, now we're given an angle measure. So once we're given an angle measure of a right triangle, now we're going to be using either sine, cosine, or tangent. So based off of this problem, this is the angle that's given to me right there. Opposite of that is y. So that is the opposite side. 20 is now my hypotenuse as well. So when I'm dealing with the opposite and the hypotenuse, this now is a sine problem. So I'm dealing with the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse, so it is a sine problem. So to set this up, I'm going to be using sine of my angle measure, which was 15 degrees. That will equal the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. To solve this problem, I can think of this as a proportion again if I would like. And now multiply. So I could multiply both sides by 20, or if you want to say cross multiply, whichever. So now I'm going to end up getting y equals 20 times the sine of 15. Anytime you are working with sine, cosine, tangent right now, we're working in degrees because it's 15 degrees. You need to make sure you are in degree mode. So you need to be in degree mode. If you're in radian mode, your answer is going to be off. So I'm going to take my calculator and type 20 times sine of 15, and that's going to give me approximately 5.176. And there you go.